Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Nissan Altima sun visor. First, gather your essential tools, a flathead screwdriver and the new sun visor. Make sure your replacement visor perfectly matches your vehicle's interior color and any specific features, like a vanity light. Always park your car safely and turn off the engine before beginning any work. Now, let's remove the old sun visor. Look closely at the visor's base where it attaches to the headliner. You'll find two screws. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully loosen and remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the visor away from the mounting bracket and disconnect any electrical wiring, if present, for the vanity light. With the old visor removed, it's time to install your new one. If your new visor has an electrical connection, carefully plug it into the vehicle's harness first. Then, align the new visor's base with the two mounting holes in the headliner. Insert the two screws you previously removed and tighten them firmly with your flathead screwdriver, ensuring the visor is secure. Finally, perform a few quick checks to ensure everything works perfectly. Move the new sun visor through its full range of motion, making sure it pivots smoothly and stays securely in both the up and down positions. If your visor has a vanity light, test that it illuminates correctly. You've successfully replaced your Nissan Altima sun visor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.